Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures.
If you're on a quest for luscious, thicker hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving fuller locks naturally. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about hair growth. Hair grows in three main stages: anagen, catagen, and telogen. The goal is to have a healthy anagen phase, where the hair is actively growing. And while genetics play a huge role in your hair's characteristics, there are definitely ways to enhance its thickness. Great hair starts from the inside out, and that means paying attention to your nutrition. Protein is key, as our hair is mostly made of keratin, a type of protein. Make sure you're getting plenty from sources like eggs, fish, and nuts. Don't forget about vitamins and minerals. Biotin, iron, and vitamin E are your hair's best friends. You can find them in foods like almonds, spinach, and avocados. Moving on to hair care, a healthy scalp means healthier hair. Make scalp massages a regular part of your routine. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Be gentle with your hair, avoid tight hairstyles and harsh chemicals, and opt for natural products instead. And remember, regular trims are your friend. They keep split ends at bay and make your hair look fuller. Now, let's talk about some DIY magic. Egg masks are fantastic for hair health. Just apply a beaten egg, wait for 20 minutes, and wash it out. Another miracle worker? Aloe vera. Apply it directly to your scalp, leave it on for an hour, and say hello to happier hair. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of lifestyle changes. Manage your stress, stay hydrated, and make sure you're getting enough sleep. These habits not only promote thicker hair, but also contribute to your overall well-being. So there you have it, folks. Your comprehensive guide to achieving thicker, healthier hair naturally. Remember, patience is key, and consistency is everything. Stay dedicated to these practices, and over time, you'll see a transformation in your locks.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.